How to turn off virus protection on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. As you know that the virus protection on your Windows is turned on automatically. So if you want to install any application by turning off the virus protection, first of all click on the search button and then click on virus and threat protection. Or what you can do is simply open settings and then go to privacy and security. Now tap on Windows security and then on the first option which says virus and threat protection. Under this, you will see quick scan and just below it you will see virus and threat protection settings. Tap on manage setting which is right below it. Once you tap on it, you will land to another page. Here you will see the option of real-time protection. So you can just toggle off it and it will be turned off. You can do the same for the other protection as well. However, it will be turned on automatically after some time. So that is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.